construction truck. I am the excavator. I am the bulldozer. I am the dump truck. I am the crane. I am the road roller.
I'm the concrete mixer.
We are the construction fleet. No difficulty can beat us. Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Amusement park renovation. This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Wow! Here you come, construction fleet. I can count on you for amusement park renovation. No problem. You can count on us. I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. The building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah, the installation of Ferris wheel is completed. I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I am quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Here's a badge for you as a reward.
Yay!
Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can be used for laying lawn? Road roller, lawn spreader, bulldozer. Which construction truck can be used for laying lawn? That's not correct. Think it. You are right. Next question. Which construction truck has a large blade in front? Road roller, crane, bulldozer. Which construction truck has a large blade in front? You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can lift objects high up into the air? Concrete mixer, crane, dump truck. That's not correct. That's not correct. Think it. You are right! You've got it all correct. Great! Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Bridge construction. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Here you come, construction fleet. This is the task for building the bridge. I can count on you for bridge construction. Our construction fleet is a group of little expert builders. You can count on us. I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the concrete road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. Construction fleet, the bridge you have built is so amazing. Here is a construction badge for you as a reward. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can lift heavy goods? Bulldozer, road roller, crane. That's not. You are right. Next question. Which construction truck can mix concrete? Marking machine, concrete mixer, crane. You are right. Next question. Which construction truck can mark neat zebra crossings? Road roller, marking machine, concrete mixer. You are right. You've got it all correct. Great! Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Factory rescue.